guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie, aka Maya, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. Okay, not the makeup. The makeup is not included, but I will be showing you how to get this hairstyle. Okay, first of all, get into it. Don't mind how big my forehead is. Just appreciate the sleekness and the dedication. Okay, I was like, this be looking easy, but y'all, a lot of stuff goes into it, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it so you can do it on your own. Let's not even waste no time. Let's just hop right into the video. Before we start, of course, a link to all the stuff that I use will be in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. If y'all be wanting style for y'all wigs and stuff, I do got a playlist, and I will be having cards and stuff, so go ahead and check those out if you really like this video, and I shall see you guys at the end. Okay, you guys, so let's hop right into the hair. So let's go ahead and start with parting the hair. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off by trying to part directly down the middle. We have all we need right here in this center. Okay, so I braided it back so as far as I'm going to do it because I'm like lazy, and this is what we're working with. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to work on doing the sides. Now to the actual fun part. So this is where everything is gonna start coming together. I'm gonna be going in with a little bit of ORRS olive oil styling mousse, and I'm gonna start combing everything back. Okay, so as you can see, braids are braided. Of course, you have this slick back ponytail, but it's not quite finished. So now I done went ahead and applied the concealer to like my roots. What I'm going to be doing is I'm literally just going to go ahead and comb out the edges that are kind of already out there. So this is what we're working with for the baby hairs. So I like my baby hairs to be super duper soft. So I'm going in with some more styling mousse, and then once they dry, they're going to dry in place, but they're still going to be nice and fluffy. And they're still gonna be in their place. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to dampen it a little bit, add on some conditioner just so that the hair remains like nice and soft, and then I might top it off with a little bit of styling mousse or gel. Okay guys, so I have defined the curls. I didn't want to do it too much because I don't want the hair to be like super wet. I'm going to go in with my hot comb, you know, put, you know, hot comb to head, and then I shall show y'all the finished result. guys, so this is the finished result. How it turned out, y'all. I think I did pretty good, and I think we did pretty good, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just bring this video to a close, because you know your girl got stuff to do. So make sure to hit the thumbs up button. That lets me know that you like the content that I am putting out for you guys. 2, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, guys. I see y'all be watching and binge watching the content, and I'm like, you know what I'm saying, I gotta start putting out more for the best. I gotta start getting this together. So with that being said, okay, I ain't gonna speak too much on the schedule or nothing like that, because yeah. Last but not least, be sure to hit that bell button. That's gonna let you know when I upload a video, because it's gonna let you know when I look like this, you can look like this. And yeah, that wraps up this video, guys. I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye, babes. Mwah.